Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 science teacher. We are already studying chapter 11 light, sound and force, and today we are going to study this topic, what is the force, page 113. So when we push or what is force? When we push or pull something and the object is moving from its original position, and that push or pull is called the force. So I have given a question in your homework also. Define force. So answer number 8 is a push or pull is the force applied on an object. So when we push something or we pull something, that means we are applying a force, and we can see and feel. So you can see this boy is pulling and this boy is pushing. So the force is applied and this object, this carton is moving. Now then we have done that work is done when the force is applied, and force can move a stationary object. Stationary means the object that is stopped, it starts moving, and the moving object will stop if it is push or pull is made, and we can change the direction of moving object with the push and pull, and we can change the shape of an object with the push and pull. And I have given question number 2 from page 114, that what are the two important things we need to know about force. So the two important things we need to know about force is direction and size. This is answer number 9. Then we discussed page number 114, that what is force. When you push a toy, the car moves in the direction in which the force is applied. If you push the toy in this direction, it will move this direction. If you push the toy this direction, it will move on the other direction. Then the size of force, you can measure the size of force in newtons. That is the measurement quantity, and the more force you apply, the more work is done. So your homework is doing answer number question number 8 and question number 9, and doing answer number 8 and answer number 9 in your copies from page number 113. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.